couple of my friends had gone to OCU, so I was kind of interested in them already. And then when I talked to them and visited campus, I really loved the environment, and that's how I came here. I started out as a scenic design major instead of props. And my first semester, my first assignment was assistant props master on an opera called La Rondonnée. And that was my first jumping off point. And then I did another assistant props master, I did a scenic painter. And then the fall of my sophomore year, I did my first props master on The Marriage of Figaro. So I started doing props master assignments, and then I just kind of haven't stopped. I've had one a semester since then. For me, props, it's history. A lot of people don't seem to realize that props is based around not just an object, but what the object does, why it does it, why was it developed, why would this person in this time in this place use it. You can't just put a painting on stage and say, yeah, that'll work, because what if the painting is from 20 years in the future? You've just destroyed the historical significance of the play. So it's constantly looking at every single thing you're putting on stage and saying, does this belong here? And that's what I love, is the detail work of it. The way OCU is set up, we take a class in all of the emphases. So you take costume classes, lighting classes, sound classes, everything. You take everything. And that's been incredible to know other designers' processes and how they get from reading the script to putting a costume on stage, reading a script to having a 32-piece orchestra playing composed music on stage. It's incredible to get to delve into that, especially when you don't know absolutely anything about it. It's really fun to look into. OCU is very big on prepping you for the real world. It's actually required that you do an internship before you leave. There's this class called Sophomore Portfolio, and it's where you kind of get your first taste of learning how to build a resume, writing cover letters, building your portfolio from the experience that you have. And it's a really important class because you also learn about, as a freelance artist, how do you do your taxes? And so it's really interesting to not just see, this is how I present myself as an artist, but this is how I survive as an artist. This is how I pay taxes, I get deductions, I know where I'm going, how to look for jobs, how to network. It's an incredible opportunity.